Bruno. Bruno.
That's my best friend.
Hi guys, it's Bruno and I'm back with another video. I don't know if you guys can clock, but I'm actually in a different room and I'm in a different scenery. I'm actually in Portugal on holidays in my parents' house. I was shopping and I actually saw this. Basically what this is food colouring, but it looks like blood because it's so red, it looks like blood. And I thought, why not prank my sister? My sister's currently upstairs, so I don't even want her to hear this right now. She's just like above me, but the door's closed, so I don't want her to hear at all. And what I was thinking to do is, I'm gonna be like, oh, Lara, come make a video of me about me cooking. And I said cooking because she just likes cooking. She likes helping with them stuff. So I'm just gonna be like, oh, come make a video of me and come help me. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna start coughing out blood. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna swallow a bit of this when she's not looking, and I'm gonna put a bit on the paper. I'm just gonna start coughing, like spitting out the blood. I might even like spit a bit on her, just to like scare her, whatever. This video is gonna be done in the kitchen, so I'm gonna just call her down and be like, oh, come help me, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna be doing a prank. By the way, I'm just speaking low because my sister's right upstairs and I don't want her to hear, but hopefully you guys can hear me okay. So this is where I'm gonna be doing the prank. I'm gonna start off by putting this on a piece of tissue. So I just grab it and act like I have a lot of blood already. A bunch of tissue here, and I'm just gonna literally put this in there. Let's see. Oh God, guys, look at this. This looks like blood. This really looks like blood. A bit more. She's gonna get so scared. I'm just gonna put this in one of the drawers, and when I'm about to do it, I'm just gonna grab it, stop doing this, and I'm also, because this is food colouring, I can swallow it. I'm just gonna be spitting out like that, okay? It's gonna be sick, trust me. That ain't in the drawer. Cool, so I've actually hid it in one of the drawers. So now I'm gonna hide this, so I can just grab it, swallow it when she's not looking, and start coughing out. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, because this right here is a mad video and there's more videos to come. So guys, yeah, please do that. Hello guys, today I'm going to be making pancakes with my sister. What's her name?
Lara.
I see she's a bit shy. It's the first time on YouTube, first time making a video, and she's just a bit shy. But yeah, you'll fit just into it, it's fine. So what kind of pancakes do you want? Nutella? Alright, cool, so we're going to be making pancakes with Nutella. That's what we're going to be making. Got a coffee now. I'm just going to edit that here out. That's got, it's not funny, just cough hurts. I feel like my chest is burning. I'm just getting everything out. Cool. Cool, so the first thing you want to start with is milk. Where's the milk, Lara? Fridge, go get that, go get that. Is there no milk there? Here's the guy, it's that right there. Because we're actually in Portugal, we are going to be using Portuguese milk. As you see, Portuguese milk is green, but I think English milk is green as well, isn't it?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, I mean like the what's this called? The carton, the box. The box is green, not the milk in general. So yeah. Oh my God, my chest is hurting. Go get me tissue to cough, please. Just give me that. Just use the other one. No, more. We need a lot, Because this cough is just getting to me. So, first thing, we can't just, you have long hair, we can't cook with long hair. So, you need to tie up your hair. Just tie it just a little bit, just at the back. What, is that upstairs?
Yeah.
I could go get it upstairs then. Go get that.
Bruno. 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 You need to call mom. Excuse, what is this doing here? Bruno, you scared me. You scared me. No.
You got pranked! You got pranked! You got pranked! Did you get scared?
Yeah.
How scared? Oh, what did I leave it? Guys, she only found out because I forgot to hide this. My face is all red right now. But she only found out because I forgot to hide this. If not, you see her reaction? She's already like, oh, do you want me to call mom? Do you want me to call mom? So we have the cameras there as well. So they definitely got the reaction as well from me getting scared. This was the first prank on my sister. I hope you guys enjoyed this prank. I want you guys to leave a like. I want you guys to comment. I want you to subscribe. And just be ready for the next video, because the next video is better than the one before. I'm always trying to improve my content so everything gets better than before. So guys, yeah, peace out.